And welcome back to a new video. So today is going to be really exciting. I've just arrived in London for tomorrow's OPPO Flip N2 event. I am absolutely excited to see the new Flip N2, and OPPO was so kind to invite me to check it out and cover it for you. So I hope you've enjoyed the little montage at the beginning and stay tuned for more. Hello everyone and good morning. Today is the day of the launch event of the Flip N2 and I am just absolutely excited. Just had a fantastic breakfast here at the hotel of the event, and now we'll be heading over to the Magazine London, which is located right here next to the O2. Alright, and now it is actually time to start going for the event. Gonna go downstairs to the lobby and meet some of the fellow ambassadors, which is gonna be really cool, and yeah, I'll just take you along for the ride. So we're at the venue right now. I'm with the fellow ambassadors here. Hello. And we just got our seats, and I think we're all pretty hyped for it.
Please welcome Peter Lee, Head of Find Product Line at OPPO.
I'm very excited because today we're going to launch our first ever foldable phone for the global market, the OPPO Find N2 Flip. Before diving in, I'd like to talk about our journey with foldable smartphones. In 2018, when we launched the original Find X with its revolutionary pop-up camera, we had already studied R&D for foldables. We believe foldable phones have huge potential.
We have created our most versatile camera. Frame your shot with a cover screen preview and then use the main camera to take ultra clear selfies.
OPPO Find N2 Flip combines a form factor that is perfectly pocketable with a large screen, great for entertainment and productivity.
We've also integrated with OPPO to integrate Android features into the Find N2 Flip. With Fast Pair, this foldable lets you easily connect to devices from earbuds to Wear OS smartwatches with a single tap.
It's always a pleasure to work with Google. Update and 5 years of security updates. It has more intuitive design with a large vertical cover screen. It shows more information and makes the camera system more versatile. It's got a super small crease that doesn't bother you. It's also extremely durable, certified for 400,000 volts. And it comes with a huge 4,300 milliampere battery and the 44 watts fast charger. So you can enjoy the phone all day. Yeah, thank you. Finally, what I know you've all been waiting for, the price, right? Of course, the specific price will vary in regions, but here in the UK, you can get the 8 plus 256 gigabyte version for only £849. And if you pre-order now, you can get a pair of our flagship OPPO X2 earbuds for free.
What reaction?
I think when you turn it around, you want to do something.
Video, literally record. It's literally at the main screen.
And that sums up the launch event. The event was absolutely fantastic. It was a really good time. And now we got to experience the Find N2 Flip. And my first impressions are, first of all, the color is beautiful. I love the purple one. They've also got a black one. And when you fold open the screen, the crease is barely visible. If you hold it in the correct lighting, you can definitely see where it will have a crease. But as soon as you open the device, you cannot feel that there is a crease. The new hinge they've engineered really does shine here, because when you run your finger over it, you cannot feel that there's any indent or bumps in the screen. It just feels like using a regular phone. On the back side, we've got this fantastic, massive rear screen, which is one of the biggest screens in flip phones. And yeah, I mean, they did a great job here. This is again showing the innovations OPPO is bringing ahead. And using it as a rear camera display is absolutely fantastic. But more on that a bit later, because we've got the Tech Chap actually disassembling the Flip N2 here, and this was really cool to see the insides of the phone. He's going to tell you a little bit more about it right now.
This is the hinge. The hinge, have a look at the hinge.
Yeah.
So this is the back of the phone. Let me know when you've finished, or I can spin it around for you. This is under the 3 layers, including an ultra thin glass display. We have the Flexion hinge here, which is doing its magic. Let's try and get the light for you. So this is the teardrop shape for both the hinge and the display, so you'll get the no gap closed, but then, and also the 63% reduced crease compared to the previous design. Pretty tasty, 400,000 folds, certified TUV, very nice, can't beat that. And actually, probably the best bit on this bit is the 4,300 milliampere battery, biggest in any flip phone. You can ignore my disassembling stuff. So the big battery, you know what, I can just do that. Crease on a flip phone, and of course the biggest cover display. It's very nice. Very tasty.
And yeah, tasty it is. It comes with some pretty nice accessories too, like this cool case that actually has a hook and keeps the phone nicely protected. And not to forget, they've actually had the cup here too, which is pretty nice. So taking another further look at the screen here on the back, first impressions are insanely clear display, really good visibility on it. You can actually use this as almost like a primary screen. OPPO says you can get up to 6 notifications on it at one time, whereas other phones usually do 2. And the inside screen is phenomenal, with a 6.8-inch screen that has a 21:9 aspect ratio, a 120Hz refresh rate, and a peak brightness of 1600 nits. It's definitely a flagship tier screen, and it really does show. And with that, these are like my first impressions of the Find N2 Flip. I do hope you've enjoyed it. Alright, and with this rainy London day, it is time for me to start packing up and heading back to Germany. I did really enjoy it, and I do hope that you liked it too. Huge shout out to OPPO, of course, for organising this fantastic launch event. The Flip N2, I love it, and I think the others will also know how much I enjoyed it. Definitely can't wait to find out more about it. And I wanted to also say another thanks to the ambassadors for making the trip and journey so nice. It's been an absolute pleasure meeting all of you, and yeah, I'm really looking forward to more events like this in the future, and I can't wait for the next ones. And with that, I'm going to finish up packing here and getting my stuff ready for my flight this evening, and yeah, just taking in the last bit of this fantastic view. So without further ado, make sure that you leave a thumbs up, subscribe, and do let me know in comments below what you think of the Flip N2. See you in the next one. Bye for now.